TikTok's most recent update allows you to check if your account is shadow banned or in bad standing. So without further ado, let me show you how you can do that. The update came out not too long ago and it's great. If you're stuck on like 300 views or you're just not gaining a lot of momentum, then maybe your account is in bad standing or is shadow banned or something like that. So in order for you to check how that actually works, you will need to go to your profile right here, click on the hamburger menu, and then go to TikTok Studio. Once you click on the TikTok Studio, you will see all of your analytics. So over here, you can see a bunch of different things, but if you scroll down, you will see more tools and it will say account check. That is basically the only thing we need to do. And this is how you can check if your account is shadow banned. So you simply click on account check, you wait it out, and it's gonna scan your login, your posts, your comments, your profile, everything, and it will go one by one with your most recent videos. I'm pretty sure it goes like over 30 videos or something. It checks all of them, and if some of them are in bad standing or something is not going right, it will tell you and you can fix it. It will also tell you if you are shadow banned. If everything is correct, it will say a check mark, and you will see at the end, it will say account in good standing. Thank you for following our community guidelines and helping us keep TikTok safe, which means my account is great. But before this video, when I was running it like a few weeks ago, I did have some videos that were having issues, and then this fixed those issues. So if you are having some problems, make sure to run the account check and check if you can fix some issues using this simple tool made by TikTok themselves. And that's basically it. That's how you can check if your account is shadow banned. It's a cool feature made by TikTok themselves. You no longer need to follow all these guides or, checking why you're stuck on 300 views. It is baked in TikTok now. So if you're still having issues, maybe it has to do with your content and not you being shadow banned or something like that. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like. It would mean the world. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week. Link is down in the description below. If you want to see more of my TikTok guides, make sure to check this video right over here. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.